Explorer is a powerful engine connecting technical users directly to data held within EMIS Web and EMIS-X. There's robust data controls in place to ensure GDPR compliance and usage in accordance with parameters specified by the data controller. The benefits of Explorer are that it's scalable. The data lake scales dynamically in size to suit all future requirements, currently housing 1.5 trillion items of patient data. It's fast. We know which organisation every row belongs to, so can facilitate fast data access to complex, large-scale datasets. It's secure. It's a trusted, safe and secure cloud source. Users may connect directly to data at source through role-based access controls. Ensure you only view what a data controller permits. It's accessible, providing direct access to the full complex data source to facilitate a wider, more detailed range of use cases than previous tools. Explorer is a powerful query engine that connects our users to data held within our clinical data lake. It's designed for data engineers and BI analysts. It allows our technical users to query, analyze data at scale and speed to help optimize healthcare analytics. Accessible through an internet browser can use Explorer's visualizer tool to query at source from within our cloud environment. Or users can extract data through Explorer's SQL endpoint, offering a connection to a host of client servers. This allows customers to use their existing BI tools and automate routine queries to extract data on demand. If you're considering Explorer over Ion One or Partner Extracts, these are some of the key differences. The data is near real time, taking on average 20 to 60 minutes rather than a daily extract. The platform doesn't require an assurance process, so it's much easier to get set up and started. There is more data available because there is no set schema as in the current extract services. We can also provide access to data from EMIS Web clinical and community organisations. Lastly, we can anonymise the data at source if required. This is a short demo to show how the Explorer tool looks and how it can be used to easily create dashboards. We firstly log in via the web browser with our username and password and an MFA code for extra security. There are two ways that you can connect to Explorer. An access code gives you 6 hours access before it expires, but for access longer or overnight for example, you can create a certificate to grant certificate-based access. We've used a token, so we're going to now load Power BI to access the data. Explorer supports all major BI tools as shown here to allow access to the data, such as Power BI. All these can be used to connect to Explorer. So I'll load Power BI and go into the table view. In the table view, you can see at the top the different tabs of the patient data model. Each tab shows a range of data, which is dummy data in this demo. There's 36 different data models covering patients, appointments, consultations, medication and so on. They're all well documented and easy to understand. Here I'm going to add in a pie chart. I'll choose some simple examples. We'll go for a patient ID and do a count of patients split by their gender. This is the NHS gender field, which is numerical code, but if we change it to EMIS-X field, that gives a description. Let's do another example. Here we'll add a bar chart. Again, we'll add number of patients and split this by registration type, which shows most and regular patients with a small number of other registration types. We'll do one more example of a line chart, just to show how easy Explorer is to use. You can drag and drop things. We'll use week of birth and count of patients, and you could then use other data like cohorts. So, using the observation model, You could use this to split out by patients who have diabetes, for example. There's much more complexity that you can add, but this short video demonstrates how easy it is to create some simple dashboards of data. For more information or to arrange a more detailed demonstration, please speak to our partner team.